Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of emails, struggling to keep track of tasks and projects? It's a common problem, but there's a solution that can help you streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Today, we're going to dive into ClickUp, a powerful task management tool that seamlessly integrates with Gmail. Imagine having a central hub where you can manage your emails, tasks, and projects all in one place. No more switching between multiple apps or feeling overwhelmed by a cluttered inbox. ClickUp offers a range of features that can help you stay organized and focused. 1. Installing the ClickUp Gmail add-on. The first step is to install the ClickUp Gmail add-on. This is a simple process that can be completed in a few clicks. Once installed, you'll see the ClickUp icon in your Gmail toolbar. 2. Creating tasks from emails. One of the most useful features of ClickUp is the ability to create tasks directly from your emails. When you receive an email that requires action, simply click the ClickUp icon and select Create Task. This will automatically populate the task title and description with the email subject and body, saving you time and effort. 3. Assigning tasks and setting due dates. Once you've created a task, you can assign it to team members, set due dates, and add tags to help you organize your workload. ClickUp's intuitive interface makes it easy to manage your tasks and keep track of your progress. 4. Integrating with other tools. In addition to Gmail, ClickUp integrates with a variety of other tools, including Google Calendar, Slack, and Zoom. This means you can easily sync your tasks with your calendar, collaborate with team members in real time, and schedule meetings directly from ClickUp. 5. Using ClickUp's advanced features. ClickUp offers a range of advanced features that can help you take your productivity to the next level. These include custom fields, automations, and reporting capabilities. By leveraging these features, you can create a personalized workflow that suits your specific needs. 6. Tips and tricks. Here are a few tips and tricks to help you get the most out of ClickUp. Use tags to organize your tasks and make them easier to find. Create custom views to visualize your workload in a way that works for you. Take advantage of ClickUp's mobile app to stay productive on the go. 7. Real-world examples. Let's see how ClickUp can be used in real-world scenarios. Project management. Use ClickUp to track the progress of a team project, assign tasks, and set deadlines. Customer support. Create tasks from support emails, assign them to team members, and track their resolution. Personal productivity. Use ClickUp to manage your personal tasks, set goals, and stay organized. ClickUp is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. By integrating with Gmail, ClickUp makes it easy to manage your emails, tasks, and projects all in one place. With its advanced features and customizable options, ClickUp can be tailored to fit your specific needs. Ready to give ClickUp a try? Visit ClickUp website to sign up for a free account and start experiencing the benefits of this powerful tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.